Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some really cool DIYs that you can make for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this paper plate that I had left over from Christmas, and I'm just going to be painting it white. I'll be using this metallic silver paint, and I'm just going to paint one half of my plate. For this project, I'll be using both specialty glitter and glass beads. Right here I'm showing you some glass beads from Joann's, and this is some specialty glitter from Michael's. I'm going to mix them both in a bowl so that it's easier for me to distribute them evenly throughout the project. I'm going to paint one half of my plate with some Mod Podge, and then I'm going to sprinkle my glitter and bead mixture over the top. I'll be using this bling ribbon strip, and it is from Amazon. Now I'm just going to go back in and seal in those beads with some more Mod Podge. Here you see me gluing my two plates together. Now I'm just going to use this old galvanized lid that I already had. And guys, I'm going to assemble most of this off camera because I need to concentrate so that I can get this straight. And so here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this old candle container that I've cleaned out, and I'm just going to be painting it black. I'm going to be using these gorgeous bling stickers that are from the Dollar Tree. Right here you just see me filling in some empty spaces. All I did was cut off one of the rhinestone gems and then place it in wherever I needed to. And this makes the pattern look seamless. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the bottom half of my container. I had these two Dollar Tree pedestals, and I'm going to be using them for this DIY. And here's what they look like. What do you guys think? So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. Two really simple DIYs that you can recreate today. I hope that you all enjoyed this little video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, give this video a huge thumbs up as well as hitting the subscription button and the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.